If you've watched the previous video all the way through, you'll already understand the problem in commercial real estate. Asset prices change when the government policy changes as investors move money around. Most everyday retail investors never get to see that process. They only feel the result often after it has already happened. AssetCraft is a simulation game we are designing that is designed to make that process visible. I guess that you can call AssetCraft a trading game. You explore how real property markets react to market signals, macro policy changes, and financing conditions as they work their way through the economic ecosystem. You control the money and react to market changes, then just see how good you are at making money. No real money at risk. This is just designed to teach strategy behind the real thing, and once you've mastered it, you may even feel confident enough to tackle the real world scenarios. We're building this right now, and some people choose to follow the development as it's being built. A small number choose to support it on Patreon, just a few dollars a month. If that sounds like you, click Learn More now if you can see it, or if not, go to my channel on the screen, tap More, and open the link Forecasting and Projects.